Ever found yourself staring at your bank's website, wondering if you're missing something? Like, is there a secret digital portal you haven't unlocked? You need to pay a bill, check your balance, or maybe even transfer funds, and you're thinking, surely, in this day and age, they must offer online banking, right? That's the question we're tackling today, specifically about Patriot Bank. You're probably here because you're asking yourself, does Patriot Bank offer online banking? And it's a valid question. In a world where managing finances from your phone or computer has become the norm, it's almost unthinkable for a bank not to offer these services. Now, before we jump into the answer, let's take a moment to understand why online banking is so crucial. We're not just talking about convenience, although that's a huge part of it. Think about the flexibility it provides. You're no longer confined to bank branch hours. You can access your accounts 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. This is particularly important for people with busy schedules, those who travel frequently, or anyone who simply prefers the ease of digital transactions. Beyond convenience, online banking offers a level of control and transparency that traditional banking often lacks. You can track your spending in real time, set up alerts for low balances or unusual activity, and even download your transaction history for budgeting or tax purposes. This empowers you to take a more active role in managing your finances. And let's not forget security. While some people might initially be hesitant about the security of online banking, modern systems are designed with robust security measures, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud detection. When implemented correctly, online banking can actually be more secure than traditional methods, which rely heavily on paper trails and physical documents. So, with that context in mind, let's get back to the core question: does Patriot Bank offer online banking? The short answer is yes, Patriot Bank does offer online banking. They provide a range of digital services designed to meet the needs of their customers. But, like with anything, there are nuances. It's not just a blanket yes. We need to explore what those services entail and how they benefit you. First off, Patriot Bank's online banking platform allows you to access your account information from your computer or mobile device. This includes viewing your balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also transfer funds between your Patriot Bank accounts, which is incredibly useful for managing your savings and checking accounts. One of the key features of their online banking is bill pay. You can set up recurring payments or make one-time payments to various vendors directly through the platform. This saves you the hassle of writing checks, mailing them, and worrying about late fees. Another important aspect is mobile banking. Patriot Bank offers a mobile app that allows you to access many of the same features as their online banking platform, but from your smartphone or tablet. This is particularly convenient for those who are always on the go. You can check your balances while waiting in line, transfer funds while commuting, or even deposit checks using your phone's camera. Speaking of mobile deposits, this is a feature that has become increasingly popular in recent years. Instead of having to physically visit a branch to deposit a check, you can simply take a picture of it with your phone and upload it through the app. This saves you time and effort, especially if you receive checks regularly. Now, it's worth noting that the specific features and functionalities of Patriot Bank's online and mobile banking may vary. For example, some banks offer advanced features like budgeting tools, financial planning resources, or integration with third-party apps. It's always a good idea to explore the platform yourself to see what's available. To do this, you can visit Patriot Bank's official website. Look for a section dedicated to online or digital banking. There, you should find detailed information about the services offered, as well as instructions on how to enroll. You can also download their mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store and explore its features. If you're already a Patriot Bank customer, you can also contact their customer service department for assistance. They can provide you with personalized guidance and answer any questions you may have. It's also important to consider the security features offered by Patriot Bank's online and mobile banking platforms. Look for information about encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud detection. These are essential safeguards that protect your account from unauthorized access. Another thing to look for is the user interface. Is it intuitive and easy to navigate? A well-designed platform can make a big difference in your overall experience. You don't want to spend hours trying to figure out how to perform basic tasks. Furthermore, consider the customer support offered for online banking. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you want to know that you can get help quickly and easily. Look for information about their customer service hours, contact methods, and response times. And, as always, read the fine print. Understand the terms and conditions associated with Patriot Bank's online and mobile banking services. This includes any fees or charges that may apply. Now, let's talk about the enrollment process. Typically, you can enroll for online banking directly through Patriot Bank's website. You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your account number, social security number, and contact details. You may also need to create a username and password. Once you've enrolled, you can start using the online and mobile banking platforms immediately. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the features and functionalities. Don't hesitate to experiment and explore. If you're new to online banking, it's a good idea to start with basic tasks, such as checking your balances and viewing your transaction history. Once you're comfortable with these, you can move on to more advanced features, such as bill pay and fund transfers. Remember, online banking is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more effectively. By taking the time to learn how to use it, you can save time, reduce stress, and gain greater control over your money. In summary, yes, Patriot Bank does offer online banking, including mobile banking. They provide a range of features designed to meet the needs of their customers. However, it's important to explore the platform yourself and understand the specific features and functionalities offered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.